Hey, what's up everybody? Thought I'd upload a quick video of my 2020 Ram 1500. It's got the sport package, so you got that sport hood. It's in the Laramie trim. I just did a 3.5 inch ready lift level kit and the Fuel Rebel wheels wrapped in Kenda Klever RTs in a 35, 12.5, 20. So overall, I'm pretty excited actually with the way it turned out. I think the 3.5 inch ready lift kit is the perfect height for this truck, and the combination of 20 inch wheels with 35 inch tires definitely make it look good. So pretty stoked with the way it came out. Here's a quick view of the kit. Billet aluminum spacer ready lift also provides upper control arms. And the offset of the wheels, which is like an 18, I think is really perfect. It's not, it's not too aggressive. It's not too loud. Makes the truck really just gives it a clean stance, clean look. And yeah, overall, like I said, I think it came out pretty good. I figured I'd make this video to help anyone else, who's in the market trying to figure out what they want to do to their new Ram 1500. I know, going online and taking a look at other people's rides definitely helped. Although I wish there were, more videos out there. It's definitely helpful, which is why I figured I'd make this video. So for anyone else out there trying to think about the different options and things they want to do to their truck, I know this can come in hands. So matte bronze on the black definitely I think looks great. The Kenda Klever tires, a little hesitant at first. The previous truck I had was wrapped in Nitto Ridge Grappler, so you of course pay a premium for those tires. So I decided to go with these. These were $9 something shipped. Ready lift kit was $8.99. The tires, so far so good. They look good. There's a little bit of road noise, but not that much more than what I had on my Ridge Grappler. So for the money, I think saving that 550 or 600 bucks was worth it. I know people have their preference, and I got a couple buddies giving me some crap about not going with Ridge Grapplers, but so far so good. So I think it's worth giving a shot. I'll give everyone a quick tour of the inside of the truck. If you're also thinking about a Laramie, and looking at a lot of other trucks, the interior definitely stood out. It's got the Alcantara, inserts. And then of course, this badass 12-inch screen. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully this helps any of you out there looking to enhance the look of your Ram 1500. This will give you some ideas.